Hey, this is Tejal from submodules software, and in this video we will see how to add pricing batches. So let's start. Just click on inventory module and select pricing batch submodule. After that you have to just click on these four dots and click on add new batch. Then select the schedule date, then add authorized by, then enter the reference number, then select the type, then select the status and reason. Then add your product over here. Then enter the price. You can also add your products through this product catalog and just click on save button. On save only, your data will be saved and page will be reloaded, and audit log tab will be available. On audit log tab you can check all audits against the pricing batch. Then click on save and close. Your entry will be saved and available on the index page. You can easily view it and delete it through this actions given over here. And to apply these price changes, you have to just click on apply price changes action. Just click on it and you have to select yes. The status will be completed and your price will be updated successfully. You can also print it using this print action, and you can quickly filter your result using this filter given over here, and quick refresh that search result using refresh button. You can quickly export your pricing batches using CSV, Excel and PDF. If you get any query to add a price batches, then please connect us at contact us at sunmosoftware.com. See you in the next video.